As we are going to do the casual makeup look part 1, so I am going to start with the foundation. I have already washed off my face, moisturized it properly, and then I am going to apply one coat of foundation all over my face. This foundation I have taken on this palette, on this plate. If you want, you can take it on the back of your hands, and then you can apply the foundation. So let's apply quickly a coat of foundation all over my face. As I have applied foundation all over my face, now I am going to gently rub this foundation with the help of this puff brush. I have blended this foundation all over my face. Now I am going to apply the compact powder on my face to settle this foundation. The compact powder which I'm going to use is of Milani. It's a good one. I really love this compact powder. If you want, you can use the loose powder too on your face, but do not skip this step. This step is very important after you apply the foundation on your face. As you can see that I am done applying the compact powder. Now let's start doing the eye makeup. The eyeshadow palette which I am going to use this time is of Huda Beauty. It's of Topaz Obsessions, and these are the shades which I have. It's a miniature of Huda Beauty. So let's start with it. So the first shade with which I'm going to start my eye makeup is this cream shade. I am going to take an eye brush, and I'm going to take a bit of this cream shade and going to apply it on my eyes. I'm done applying with the cream shade. Now I am going to use this light brown shade, and I'm going to fill all my eyes with this one. As I am done applying this brown shade on both of my eyes, now I'm going to take this copper shade, and I'm going to blend this shimmery copper shade on the outer edges of my eyes. Actually, I'm going to use my hands. As you can see that I have applied the shimmery shade on both of my eyes. Now I am going to blend both of these shades. It's a very important step. So always blend the shimmery shades whichever you have, and make sure that you apply the shimmery shades with the help of your fingers, because you know the shimmer, it gets very well on your fingers. So yeah, I am done with it. Now I am going to take this dark coppery shade, and I am going to apply it on the outer edge of my eyes just to define my eyes. If you want, you can skip this step. You're totally free, as this is a casual makeup look. So if you do not want that to give so much dramatic effect to your eyes, it's completely up to you that you can skip this step. Yeah, but I'll apply it. As you can see that I am done giving a more definition to my eyes. Now I am going to give some colors, to add on some colors on the lower portion of my eyes. So let's start with it. So the shade which I'm going to use for my lower lashes, that is this light brown shade. I'm going to use this one. So yeah, I am going to apply just a bit of it. Yeah, I am done applying this light brown shade on the lower portion of my eyes. Now what we are left with, just to add some shimmer to the eyes. So for that I'm going to use the highlighter, and the highlighter which I constantly use is of shade Ivory. I generally prefer this shade as it is very neutral color and it goes very well with all your eyeshadow, whatever you use. This is the ivory shade which I am having, and I am going to gently dab it, rub it. I am almost done. See that how much glow it has added to my eyes. Now let's apply the eyeliner, and as it is a casual makeup look, so I'm not going to apply any sort of false lashes on my eyes. I am going to be very subtle with this makeup look. So yeah, let's apply the eyeliner and mascara. I'm going to apply the mascara. Make sure that you apply 2 to 3 coats of mascara on your eyes. Yeah. I'm done applying the mascara on my eyes. Now I'm going to contour my face, and the contouring powder, the bronzing shade which I'm going to use is of L'Oreal, and this is a sun-kissed shade. I'm going to contour it. I'm not going to apply blushers on my face because I want to keep my makeup minimalistic, so yeah. Wrapping off extra powder. The good part about contouring is what? It gives a slimming effect to your face. It gives a 3D dimension to your face. So yeah, I generally prefer doing this step. I can skip using the blushers on my face, but yeah, I will definitely prefer doing contouring on my face, although it can be with a bronzer or with a contouring stick. Whatever you can prefer, it's completely your choice. As we are done with the makeup look, now it's the time to apply the lipstick, and the lip shade which I'm going to use is of My Glam. It's in the shade brown. So yeah, I'm going to use. As you can see that almost we are done with the makeup. Now it's the time to show the final makeup look. Guys, you can see that it's a final makeup look, and how pretty and elegant this look is, going with my dress. And yeah, as it is winters in northern part of India, you can definitely carry this look to your kitty party or even in your office also, so you can have a look on it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button for more such notifications. And I'm going to bring more and more such videos for you. I decided to do this casual makeup look series because I felt that I being a girl going to office or going to university, it becomes sometimes tedious for us to decide to which with which look we should go, or there are so many tutorials on party makeup look, but hardly there is any tutorial on casual makeup look. So I decided to go with this series. Yeah, please like my video. Your one like and one subscribe can give me a motivation. So yeah, till then, bye bye, take care.